Hello, this is the team project for web programming, Kirby Liu and Jaya Krishna Mandivarapu. We will be presenting our team project 2. We did a sprint cycle in which we divided up both Jaya and Kirby were the tester as well as developer, and we came up with a set list of tasks that we assigned and completed. Our project was to create a game of Hangman, which we'll demonstrate later. Right now, we're going to go over the functionality of the game. And so during this game, we have 4 different difficulties and or categories between animals, cities, items, people. We had 4 different CSVs for those corresponding ones, in which you'll see an example of the animals one. We have a comma delimited value file, which the first word before the first comma is the actual word, and then the second value is the hint. And so using this, we came up with the game. In the bottom left, you'll see that hint that I was talking about. In this case, it's the apex predator that hunts deer and wild boar. And then below that, you'll have the word, and this will help give you an idea of how many words it is or how many character, and it hides the words. So at the bottom, you'll see the guess and submit. This is where you can be able to input the character, and you'll see in that code in the upper right where this is the HTML form, and then below that is using a combination of cookies as well as PHP functions, comparing the inputted character to any of the character within the word. It'll tell you and be able to take different actions based on the if-else statement of if that word is correct or not. There are also other features that we have within the game. You can register or sign up, and you'll see using a username CSV file, we're able to keep track of 3 different fields. One is username, second is the password, and third is the score. And so as you continue playing the game, you'll be able to increase your score. So the way this form is set up, if there's a username that's already taken, it will inform you in which you would have to go back and create another username. Within we have a login, so that way you can continuously track your score, as well as your leadership board that tells you what point system is available for what users and who is the highest performing player. So yeah, now we're just going to go into the game. I wanted to be able to show you. We have that right here. This is the Hangman game. So these are the different 4 functions I was talking about. You can start the game, you can log in, register, or sign up. So just to give you a quick tour, this is where we're going to do a quick register. So we already have a John Doe. So I'm just going to create a random thing, but because there's a John Doe already existing, it's going to say username has already been taken. Please go back and create another one. So this one's going to be test user 123, password 123. So once you sign up, it's going to say thank you for registering test user 123. We're going to go log in, so that way we can make sure that it keeps track of our score. So sign up, and it goes login successful. So we're in. So that's kind of the register and the login function. Let's go to the leadership board. You'll see here within the leadership board, as I've said before, it keeps track once you've signed in through cookies what your username is and your information. So these are the corresponding scores. Let's go down to start game and make it interesting and fun. So here we are, we have 4 different levels or categories: animals, cities, items, and people. Let's go with animals. So in this game, because I'm a new user, my score is 0, but as I rack up points, so oldest multicellular animals on the planet. And we see over here, because I know this one, This one's jellyfish. So I'm going to go submit. I hit J. That's the first word, so I got it right. E, L, and it's going to spell out, yep, see, jellyfish. F, I, S, H. So once I've won, congratulations. Let's play another game of animals, just out of curiosity. So you'll see I got a single point, so it keeps track of my point. An apex predator that hunts deer and boars. So let's just say I get this completely wrong. Keep track of what my missed words are, but also it, as you can see, my hangman is being drawn. So you just gotta make sure you're careful of, getting it correctly before you run out of characters. So, I'm guessing, warning, last limb left. So that means I don't have too many other limbs. And once I've got a game over, so it tells me game over, and then I have to select one of the other ones. So that was just a quick game. I hope you enjoyed it, and the explanation and whatnot. So we really enjoyed this process and the project. Both Jaya and I worked on it extensively, and we hope you have fun with this. So thank you so much.